Good. Drinks here are overpriced. Hello, how are you? Later. Very good. Very hot today. It's a bloody. Look at this. Buongiorno everybody from Hanoi. Second walk, boiling hot. Honestly, I'm looking for a small grocery shop where I can get some water, Pocari sweet, to be precise. And yeah, so this is meat shop, veggie shop. Very good. I don't know the meat how long can stand outside there, but yeah, we are literally, guys, meters away from Train Street. It's always busy, packed with tourists. There is a nice barber, and yeah, actually, let me see. Hello, hi. Do you sell? All right, guys. I had some jokes with the shop there. People here are really friendly. We were talking, they didn't speak English pretty much, and I don't speak Vietnamese, but we were still able to understand each other. So yeah, I explained them where I went in Vietnam, and yeah, they were excited. Here there is a kind of bike repair shop. Look at this, unbelievable, wow. So they fix everything. Very good. I was pretty dry. I had a laugh with the shop where I stopped to buy something, and I'm already wet by laughing. Literally unbelievable. Let me get some air here. Very good, very good. Maybe it's not even busy now. Wow, that would be super luck. Yeah, let me go a bit further. There are not many people. Want to really see. Hey, later. Train Street, guys. Wow, that's absolutely insane. Yeah, there was not much there. Maybe the other side is better, guys. Let's see. Wow, I'm a lake. Unbelievable. Also, I see some people. I mean, some locals also sweat, but I see some people, no matter locals or foreigner, fucking dry as fuck. I don't know how is it bloody possible to not sweat a bit. Pretty crazy. Let me see here what's going on. Oh, there is a roster. What the fuck is going on? Very crazy. Let me see. No, what time? Train pass, eh? Wow. Very good. But it's all the same anyway. Pretty much. See? Maybe it's better this side. Wow. You see? People taking selfie. Guys, it's beautiful. Let me take a photo also. Free shower. Okay, now it's not busy, so it means probably there is no train coming, but it will be really good catch it. Wow. Drinks here are overpriced because of the location, but... Hello, how are you? Later. Do you know what time the train pass?
7:40.
7:40 tonight?
Yes.
Okay, so in many hours. I will come back then. Okay, thank you.
Can you come back here at 6 o'clock?
Yeah, okay, thank you. 7:40. At least she was honest. She didn't cheat and say in few minutes to make me sit. So 7:40. Well, good to know. Maybe we can go back here. Let's see. There is also tattoo shop. Let's see. Bloody hot, guys. Unbelievable. Look at this place. It's worth a visit for sure. Also, to be honest, I mean, this must be the first time I come to this train street. Actually, let me see what's going on at the end of the street there. Pretty different than Ho Chi Minh, guys. Different vibes. Don't know how to explain it, but yeah. So this is the beginning. I don't think, I don't think there is much up there. Yeah, I don't think so. So this is the main street. Also 7:40. This means if you come at this time, you have a couple of hours advantage to take a seat. But yeah, fucking unbelievable, man. Hello, my friend. Later, 7:40. 7:40. Train coming. 7:40 train coming. So, but this is unbelievable. Need to take a photo anyway. Sup, buddy? There is another one there. Hey, buddy. Beautiful. So guys, mess here. Wow. That's the plan. Go a little bit around here. There is a street I wanted to see before. And then by 7:20 we will go explore the train street. 7:20 should pass the train, so yeah, and then from there dinner, and that's it. Call it a day. Holy F. There is this street where I get my banh mi from. Actually, I will get also a Pocari Sweet before I bloody go to the hospital. Insane heat. Also, the problem is super wet. You come to 16. Wow, this is fucking rip off, man. Wow. So, how much is this? Price?
13,000.
Come on, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Bye. Let me have this. Ooh. This is very good.
Yeah.
Very good. Very hot today. Ooh, hot. Tomorrow, better?
Yes.
Tomorrow, good?
Okay.
Need this. Pocari. Coffee, yeah. Tea. Coffee or tea? Tea.
No,
Coffee?
No coffee.
No coffee, yeah. So guys, this is the Pocari Sweat. Good drink.
Are you from
Italy.
Italy? Yeah.
Italy, yes, yes. You? Hanoi.
Oh,
Good,
okay.
good. Beautiful.
Yes.
Very hot.
Cafe chain.
Cafe, yes. Train Street.
You go.
Yes.
Ah,
Yeah, Train Street.
yeah.
Yes. Train 7.
Oh,
Yes, yes. Very good.
good.
Very good. You security shop?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Good. Hanoi safe. Safe city. Yes, yes. Oh, this is very good.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Very good. So we are here getting some fresh air. Camera, YouTube.
Yes.
What's your name? Name.
Hello.
Hello.
Italy.
Italy, yeah.
My name Đoàn Dũng.
Wanzun.
Đoàn Dũng.
Wanzun, security man of the shop.
Okay. Xin chào Italia.
Xin ciao.
Ciao.
Yes.
Look at
Ciao. Xin ciao. Ciao. Similar. Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Ciao.
Ciao. Very good.
Yes.
Very good.
Yeah.
Oh yes. No. Too strong. Too strong. Look at this. Wow.
Water.
Water. Tobacco inside.
Okay.
Yes. Yes. Very good.
Not cocoa. Not correct.
No. Tobacco. Nice. Putting some tobacco. Tobacco. Yeah. Tobacco.
Milano là King City.
Yes.
Modern.
Yes. Yes.
Milano.
Yeah. It's a bloody guy. Look at this. Holy shit. Guys, that's crazy. Wow. Very strong. Vai, unbelievable. Oh, jeez. Alright guys, I left that security man. Bloody hell, he was smoking a bazooka. Crazy. So I wanted to see actually this small street. Wow. Maybe I can pass here. Because I don't know what's going on. I'm not going to the old town now because it's too hot. We have time to go there. Ah, here sugarcane. I see. That's why a lot of people there. The problem with the sugarcane, guys, very hard to keep it clean, so there are 50-50 chances to get sick, to be honest. Also it's super hot, but yeah, that man was really good. This is my banh mi place here on the right. So now we go back to my Airbnb. Some girls taking pictures. Bye. Some people, what shocked me is that some people literally stand outside all day. That's really crazy. They literally sit all day outside. Unbelievable, man. Wow. Maybe I can get some neck fun cafe and local art store. Oh wow. A small cafe. Here at night is also busy, full of restaurants. Well, guys, little trip. I don't know what is this statue. So here we go. Let's see if I can make it for 7:20 to catch the train. And that's it. For now I go to cool down a bit in the room. All right. My place is there. We'll get a drink and then back to the room. I think the train is coming, guys. Oh wow.